Hey everyone, Andrew here with ACR Protect. Thanks for stopping by. Well, we made it. It's Friday. That's cocktail hour. I actually got home in decent time today. Believe it or not. Yep. Don't worry, I have to fucking work tomorrow. See how that goes. Hopefully it's a productive day. So, new beer. A brewery that we've had before on the channel, but a different, this one intrigued me when I saw it. Kind of saying I've been on this little IPA kick on and off. This is another IPA. This is an Imperial IPA by Belching Beavers Brewery. It's called Fall of Troy. It's a orange vanilla Imperial IPA. And that orange and vanilla intrigued me. I think I've said before, I enjoy the citrus in IPAs. I think it kind of cuts that hoppiness a little bit. But reading the back of the can here, we're bringing back a fan favorite with dubious beginnings. Let's just say it was a mistake, Troy's mistake, which proved to be a happy accident. This mosaic hop-laden Imperial IPA is smooth and juicy with notes of orange and vanilla. Troy is hereby inducted into our Brewers Hall of Shame, alongside their legendary brews like Ivan the Terrible and Josh Dammit. Cheers. Again, cool artwork. I dig it. Fun can, brightly colored. Yeah, it just, orange and vanilla sounds good, right? Ooh, the IPA, 8.5 IPA, ABV, too many letters. Alcohol by volume is 8.5%. This is a full pint, which is awesome. All right. See what we got here. Crack this open. I've got I'm not sure if I'm smelling, when I cracked that, I might have been smelling my whiskey. Yeah, I poured some whiskey. It's one that we've had on here, so it's not going to be a double feature. I'm sorry. So this is kind of full. Let's see how we do. Well, look at that. Well, we're gonna call that a shitty pour. Bartenders would not be impressed. Well, here comes Harry. Hey, bud. Right on time. He must have heard me crack the beer. All right, so kind of a interesting color here. Kind of a yellowish orange there. Again, lots of head on there. Let's get our nose in here. So I smell the hops. Definitely smells like an IPA. It's maybe some faint citrus notes, but not specifically orange, if that makes sense. Not getting any notes of vanilla. No. Well, only one way to figure out if this beer is any good. We're gonna need to have a swig, right? So, happy Friday. Cheers to you and your families. Hope you have a great Mother's Day weekend. Yep, it's Mother's Day. Here we go. Let's get in on this. Good head right there. So, this is good. This is good. You do get the notes of vanilla and orange in there. That's different. It's kind of different, but not bad. Decent carbonation. Nothing too crazy. It drinks kind of thick, if that makes sense. Some may say it kind of has a bit of a chew to it. Not much, just more than I expected. We're pouring some more in here. As I spill shit all over my desk. Thank God I have a bandana everywhere. Gotta have one of those, right? Again, here for another pour. Look how much head's on there. Let's so definitely get the vanilla and the orange. And you know, it's weird. It kind of has the taste. Do you remember remember, they've been around for a while. They still make them, the chocolate oranges. You know how, you slam them down, break them, and you'd get that taste of orange with the chocolate. That's the orange that I'm tasting in here. Kind of weird, huh? I don't know. It's just different. It's different. I'm not saying it's bad. Just different. Would I buy this again? I don't know. So price point on it. I did get this at HEB. Bought it in their singles. I think I've mentioned that before. You can do like build your own 6-pack or whatever. Just buy one beer or something. It wasn't terribly expensive. I want to say around $3 for a can. I don't know. It intrigued me. I'll tell you, I will not. A lot of carbonation in this one. Damn. Excuse me. I will not be in a hurry to buy this one again. It's just it's okay. It's not bad. I don't want anyone to get that. I just I don't know what I was expecting. I mean, it says orange and vanilla. That intrigued me. I tried it. It tastes like orange and vanilla. I was like, they hit the mark on that. I will still continue to buy stuff from their brewery, which is out of, where did we say this was out of? Oceanside, California. California beer. There's some good stuff over there. Beer, nice weather, shitty gun laws, maybe. Let's get in on here again. Yeah, I think I'm obviously going to finish this can. Not pouring it out. And sometimes, my opinion changes later on after I've had the beer. Like, it got better. It's weird. I don't know. Fancy beer is sometimes weird, whereas if you're drinking Coors Banquet, it tastes the same every time, right? Or something like that. So we're gonna cleanse the palate a little bit with a little bit of the Redwood Empire. This is that Emerald Giant it's that rye whiskey that I picked up and did a video with that citrus shandy, I believe. If I'm not mistaken. That's a good beer. Yeah, I don't have any more of that left. Need to get some more of that. It's still good. A little bit of bite at the finish. I think I said that last time. I actually wanted this with ice today. However, I was out of ice balls, and once you start doing something, like I'll just put a couple ice cubes in. It's not the same. It's not the same. I like the melt from the ice ball. Makes sense. Those that know. It's just a little different. We're inside today. Thought about doing this outside. It's actually decent out, but I just got back from walking the dogs. We went for a couple mile walk, and I mean, one, it was a nice day. Two, it's walking the dogs. But three, got a new pair of kicks. Picked up some 511 AT. I think it's the Ranger AT mid height hiking boot, and they are awesome. They are awesome. I'm a fan of 511. I am. Now they had that chest pack that I did a video on a while back. I still have it. I haven't gotten rid of it. Again, what annoys me is the expansion on it. It doesn't, for me, for a guy my size, it's tough. So if you're kind of squatty and stocky, you know, it's not gonna fit. I'm just fat. So that's part of my issue. But I like 511. These boots, they're comfortable. So I'm gonna have a link in the description. When I got them on sale for $105. And then when I was researching for this video to get the link, those sons of bitches are like, is either 82 or 85. Marked down from 140, 135, something like that. I thought I got a good deal, $30 off. If you get them now, even better deal. Now, I venture to guess that it's going to be limited sizes and limited colors. So I got this kind of two-tone brown. You know, I like it. It's kind of like a coyote and like a rust. Kind of good looking boot. It's a hiking style boot, and that's what I've been looking for. I've kind of been, you know, I like boots. I like that type of footwear. Those other 511s, that Norris sneaker's nice. I wear a lot of military or duty style boots, you know, just like a black. I like the ATAC 511 ATAC boot. That's really nice, just for a good black boot. But I wanted something specifically for hiking, getting outdoors when I go, instead of wearing my black boots. Man, those black boots, your feet get to sweating here in Texas in those. I just want something a little airier, if that makes sense. So check it out. I also picked up a pair of their AT trainers, like a cross trainer shoe. Got those for under 40, like $39. So check out 511. If you can, go to a brick and mortar store just to get sized up. I did that a while back, and so I know what size I wear. We're size 12. You know, in theirs, and that's just it. You would think when they say standard sizes that it would be the same, whether you're buying Reeboks or Nikes or 511s or whatever. No, my foot is a different size and every different type of footwear. So take a look. If you're in the market for some good boots, you know, hiking boots or shoes or whatever, they're running some deals right now. So check it out. That's all I got. Trying to kind of wind it down here. Like I said, I gotta get up at like 4 in the morning to go to work tomorrow. Yay, party there. Hopefully it's a quick day, a productive day, so I can shut it down and, you know, spend time with the family and celebrate Mother's Day. A whole lot of days there. I don't know. I'm weird. All right, that's it, folks. I'm gonna get back to the beer, the whiskey, the dogs, and the family. Till then, cheers. My best to you and your families. Thanks for the views. Thanks for the conversation and the comments. I really appreciate it. Y'all take care. Have a wonderful Mother's Day weekend. We'll catch you later. We'll see you.